A very good morning to one and all. Today's topic is compass surveying. In this session, we are going to see about the compass, two different types of compass, and what are the difference between the two different types of compass. To move on, what is a compass? A compass consists of a magnetic needle, a graduated circle, and a line of sight. It cannot measure directly the angle between a two lines, but can record the magnetic meridian between the two lines, which is used for calculating the included angle between a line. So that is being the angle between these two lines is then calculated by getting the bearing of these two lines. What is a principle? The basic principle involved in compass surveying is traversing. It involves a series of connected lines where the magnetic bearing of the line are measured by prismatic compass and the distances are measured by chain. Such survey does not require the formulation of network of a triangle. Where does it work? Compass surveying is recommended where the area is large, undulating, and crowded with many details. Compass surveying is not recommended for areas having local attractions. Suspected due to the presence of magnetic substances like steel structures, iron ore deposits, electrical cables, conveying currents, and so on. So, in these places, compass surveying is not recommended. What are the types of traversing that is used? First one is a closed traverse, and second one is a open traverse. Closed traverse is starting and ending at the same point where we have a fixed boundary, and an open traverse where the boundary is not fixed and we want to record the bearing of the lines. Let us move on to the types of compass. There are two major types of compass: prismatic compass and surveyor's compass. As from the name itself, we can record prismatic compass is fitted with the prism, and in surveyor's compass, we don't have a prism. This is the major difference between these two types of compass. Prismatic compass. So, prismatic compass is a compass attached to the prism where we have the eye vane and an object vane that is present. All the major recordings are done with reference to north. Surveyor's compass, the recording is done majorly either from the north direction or from the south direction. Let us see the parts of the prismatic compass. We have the needle, pivot, a cap, graduated disc for recording bearings, a slit metal frame, a horsehair, a mirror for locating the reading, recording the reading, reflected prism, eye vane, focusing stud, dark sunglasses, box, glass cover, lifting pin, lifting spring, a brake pin, lifting level, and support to fit the tripod. So these are all the parts of the prismatic compass. It is very important. The most important question is the difference between these two compass. So let us see what are the difference between these two compass. Prismatic compass and surveyor compass. In prismatic compass, the graduated ring is attached to the magnetic needle. Graduations are marked from 0 degree and 360 degree in clockwise direction. 0 marked at south, 180 marked at north, 90 marked at west, and 270 degree marked at east. It gives or measures the whole circle bearing of a line. In surveyor's compass, graduated ring and needle are free to move with respect to each other. Graduated ring are marked from 0 and 90 degree in each quadrant. In this compass, east and west are interchanged. It measures or gives the quadrantal bearing of a line. What are the errors in compass surveying? Similar to chain surveying, compass surveying has also three errors: error due to instrument, personal, and natural errors. Thank you all for your attention. If you have any queries, kindly post the questions. Thank you, one and all.